Vanakkam, welcome. Now I am going to talk on Muruga. Muruga is associated with number 6. So, Arumugam, Arupadai Muruga. 6 phases and 6 religious centers. Unlike usual presentations on Muruga, it may contain a different type of information, extra, not so popular information, unusual information, additional. In Tamil Nadu, there are 6 places: Tiruttani, Swamimalai, Pazhani, Pazhamudircholai, Tirupparangundram, Tiruchendur. Each place is associated with the story and their tales and different aspects of Muruga. Shivam Shaktim Kalabam Kaumaram. Kumara is a combination of Shiva and Shakti. Shivam stands for static or peace. Shakti stands for dynamic or action. They call it potential energy and kinetic energy. This is similar to yin yang. There is a poem on Muruga. I'll start with the popular poem on Muruga. உருவாய் அருவாய் உளதாய் இலதாய் மறுவாய் மலராய் மணியாய் ஒளியாய் கருவாய் உயிராய் கதியாய் விதியாய் குருவாய் வருவாய் அருள்வாய் குகனே. Lord Muruga, you are one with the form, without form. You are one who has it everything. And you are the one who doesn't have anything. You are everything for believers, nothing for non-believers. Everyone is included, inclusive. You are present in the smallest, everywhere. In the flower, the ringing of the bell, sound, fragrance, light, that is all senses. You are the embryo, you are the seed of everything. You are the life, you are the destiny, you are the fate. Please come, you as a teacher, as a guru, and we are waiting for your blessings. Arupadai, 6 religious centers, has been popularized by a movie, Kandan Karunai. And there is a lyrics by Kannadasan. Arupadai வீடு கொண்ட திருமுருகா திருமுருகாற்றுப்படை தனிலே வரும் முருகா முருகா. And he starts with பழனி. வேண்டிய மாம்பழத்தை கணபதிக்கு அந்த வெள்ளிப் பனைத்தலையர் கொடுத்ததற்கு ஆண்டியின் கோலமுற்று மலை மீது நீ அமர்ந்த பழனி ஒரு படை வீடு. Like that for each religious centers, the poem is written. Now there is that I don't want to call it misconception. There is a feeling that Murugan Tamil Deivam. Muruga is Tamil God. But if you look at literature, you find it otherwise. Murugan Tamilil நன்றாக விவரிக்கப்பட்ட தெய்வம். There are many Tamil sculptures and poems on Muruga. They are written very well. உலகெங்கும் உள்ள தெய்வம், உலகளாவிய தெய்வம். He is universal. He is there everywhere. Murugan is called Kartikeya, son of Kritika. Arumugam, Shanmuga with 6 faces. Kumara, eternal youth. Guha, the cave dweller. Skanda, the seed, embryo. Vela, Sharavana. The Skanda means the way that leads to wisdom, Nibbana. This is a statement of Chandogya Upanishad. Skanda as Mahasena and Subramanya by Baudhayana Dharmashastras. So it seems to be Buddha is a god of many culture. The stories of Murugan caters to all human needs, emotions. The word Muruga may mean honey, beauty, fragrance, divine music, eternal youth. This is not confined to one region or one land or one language. So let us see further. Muruga and beauty. Early, maybe Tamil, even Indian, universal, is a nature worship. Nature is God. You find beauty of nature is God. Nature is God, beauty of nature is God. You can go on. Like rising and setting of the red sun is called Seyon. Seyon means red color. It may mean Muruga or Shiva. Greenery in the forest is called Mayon, Thirumal. Dark, beautiful sea of ocean is called Varuna, Vannam. Beautiful people of agricultural farmland is called Venda, Vendan, Indra. Farming is beauty. Beauty of the desert, empty land, is something like dancing mother or a protector god. Muruga can be maybe one light and fire. If we look also further in Tamil literature, இயற்கை is உடல், அதன் உள்ளுரை உயிர். Like nature is the body. What is inside is life. There is only universal life. You cannot separate. It is one interconnected life. That is, we call it God. Nature beauty is called light, Jodi, Jodi Swarupa. Murugan is called Arahan, beauty. Upper writes, Aragane, Alavayil, Appane, Arul Seivaye. In early Tamil, Appan means God. Attan is father. Now Appan means father, but ancient Tamil. So Aragane, Alavayil, Appane. That is beauty, Aragan, Alavayil, God. Alavayil, God. God residing in Alavayil. About Periyalvar. This is about Periyalvar. பலபல நாளும் சொல்லிப் பழித்தசிது பாலந்தன்னை அளவலைமை தவிர்த்த அழகன் அலங்காரன் மலை குளமலை கோலமலை குளிர் மாமலை கொற்றமலை நீலமலை நீண்டமலை திருமாலிருஞ்சோலையதே. He refers to the dweller in Malay mountains, so many mountains. Balan, Kumaran, young lad. In Tamil literature, குன்று மறவன் குமரன், குறிஞ்சி நிலை தலைவன் குமரன், குன்று இருக்கும் இடமெல்லாம் குமரன் இருக்கும் இடம். Kumara means hill or mountain dweller, mountain, leader of the mountain, you can take it. Wherever there is a hill or a mountain, there is Kumara. God exists. So, the hill or mountain doesn't belong to any land, Tamil Nadu, India, or anything, everywhere. If you look the concept of God, we want God to be like a mountain. So we are below. We can look upon Him. So maybe that may be the background of this. In Skandam, written in Sanskrit, கந்தனை கரம் குவித்து வணங்குவோர்க்கு கலியின் கொடுமையும் கால பயமும் கிடையாது. The person who prays to Kanda, Kumara, they need not worry about age of Kali or death. Like that, என்னை பெற்றவன் நீயே என் பிழைகளை பொறுத்து கொள்வது உன் கடமை. Devaraya Swamigal, who made the Kavacham. Kavacham means protection. So when he made it, he told that you are our creator. So protecting us is your duty. So he is a universal. He has created every one of us. Let us see the poem by Vallalar. Charanam means surrender. Like Charanam, like Buddhist also use the word Charanam Gacchami. Abhya, surrender. அருளார் அமுதே சரணம் சரணம் அழகா அமலா சரணம் சரணம் பொருளா இணையால் புனிதா சரணம் பொன்னே மணியே சரணம் சரணம் மருள்வார் கரியாய் சரணம் சரணம் மயில்வாகனனே சரணம் சரணம் கருணாலயனே சரணம் சரணம் கந்தா சரணம் சரணம் சரணம். If you look at all the words, it is not used to only Tamil or something. All the lands, compassionate, jewel. So now let us come to the astronomical background of Muruga worship. That I took it in late September, some of the sky formation late night, eastern side. Like we have got first Ashwini, you leave it. Take Bharani, Kritiga, Rohini, Mrigashirsha. And Rasis, that is 3 Rasis, Mesha, Rishabha, Miduna. Bharani, they start in Mesha, then Vrishabha and beginning of Miduna. Miduna is a twin. This is a star formation, you see, the beautiful, and there are a lot of stars. And all cultures have come out with folk tales, Arabic, Chinese and everything. One of the Greek or Eastern European folk tales is about Aldebaran, mother goddess associated with Taurus, and bull, male bull. And Mrigashirsha, something you can call it dear mother. In Tamil it is called Valli, Valli's mother. There is a tale of Agrahayani. Then Agrahayani is married to warrior god Mars. So these are all lot of folk tales. Like if you look even the stars, Bharani, Kritiga, Rohini, Mrigashirsha, Ardra. In Indian one, Hindu one. Chinese one is a Koi, Liu, Wai, Mo, Pai. Arabic one, Al-Batan, Al-Hat, Al-Sharatain, Al-Butain, Al-Duraya, Al-Dabaran. Each folk tale is different. Our folk tale is Bharani is associated with Dharma, Durgai. Kartigai with Agni. Rohini, Brahma, Prajapati. Mrigashirsha with Soma, Chandra. Trivardre, Ardra is associated with Shiva. And they always see the pattern, one daughter, son, like this, they form the tale. So these are the basic of astronomical thing. You can take the folk tale and then see how it has been fused into Muruga worship. Now we go to number 6. 6 is associated with Muruga. Number 6 is liked by all mathematicians, including Indians. Before that, 6 was the main number for Indian mathematicians. So we used to have a 6 days week, 6 and 60. There are 6 seasons. Each day is having 60 nadi. One nadi is 60 vinadi. And everything 6. 6 is a very popular divine number. 6 is the smallest positive integer which is neither a square number. If you take 1 to 6 with the divisors, composite number, only 4 which is a square number. This is not a square number. It is a perfect number, Greenville number. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. It is 6. This is called the perfect number. Sum of the digits is equal to multiplication of the digits. 6 represents 6 points forming the hexagon in the above figure. It is easy to draw an hexagon. Like you take any point and draw an arc. It makes 60 degrees. And hexagon is made up of 2 triangles, equilateral triangles, one intersecting the other. Sometimes in Sri Chakra it is used as a male principle and female principle, fusion of Shiva and Shakti. 6 represents 6 points. Murugan is associated with number 6. 6 vases, mothers, 6 mothers, Kritika. 6 pilgrim centers, we saw Arupadai. 6 qualities of God. Let us see the poem on 6 faces. ஏறுமையில் ஏறிவிலை ஆடுமுகம் ஒன்றே ஈசருடன் ஞானமொழி பேசுமுகம் ஒன்றே கூறுபடி ஆர்கள்வினை தீத்த முகம் ஒன்றே குன்றுருவ வேல்வாங்கி நின்ற முகம் ஒன்றே மாறுபடு சூரரை வதைத்த முகம் ஒன்றே வள்ளியை மனம் புணர வந்த முகம் ஒன்றே ஆறுமுகம் ஆன பொருள் நீ அருளல் வேண்டும் ஆதியரு நாஜலமாய் அமர்ந்த பெருமாளே. He says 6 faces symbolizes felicity, fullness, immortal, youth, endless energy, so on. This is Tiruppugal. I made a song for Muruga, starting with letter K. K, Meyyezhuthu is the first letter is K in Tamil, similar to Devanagari also, K. So, Mei means truth. Muruga is truth. So, Gangadharan Kanpuriye Karunai Kadale Kandane, Kartigai Kandigayele Kavarnda Kangeyane, Katravar Karkadong Aratte Katpitavane, Kadal Kadandu Kadu Marakkarai Kattiyavane, Ganeshan Udavi Kat Azhagiyudan Kalanda Kadirgamane, Kashtangalai Kalaindu Katharulvai Kadavule. The meaning is you are compassionate, you are a compassionate ocean, you are liked by everyone. Kartikeya maidens, you taught concepts of Om and basics of, that is fundamentals. You crossed the ocean to subjugate the demons. With Ganesha's help, you married Valli. Please God protect us by solving problem. The inspiration of this poem is by Kalidasa. Katvam bale kanjanamala kasyaputri kanakalataya kimse gamse talipatram kavarega gaga gaga. Once Bhoja Maharaja gave a challenge. I want a poem starting with Ka. He made it. Same way I made a poem starting with Ka. We won't be able to see 6 places. I want to just briefly touch upon on Palani. Palani is this chapter on Palani is devoted to Amrit Kumar. I am there seen before the Palani temple on our last visit. Other side you see the Amrit Kumar and his wife. Amrit Kumar is a well-learned poet and he has made lot of songs on Muruga. So my inspiration is from him. I am trying to start writing some poems. Palani is known for Sittar, Ajvigas. Ajvigas, Jainas are the old tradition. Muruga, some people say its names come from Aruga. Like before Hindu golden age of Guptas, all of us belong to one religion, Hinduism, that is other side of Indus. Each one is different tradition. Like all are same Hindu, different traditions. There is no word religion in Indian way. It is a freedom. Basic thing is dharma and knowledge. So Buddhists also use the word dharma and whole our scriptures basic is dharma. So let us go further. Palani is full of these chittas. They are healers. They are alchemists. Also there are books how they convert into mercury into gold and all this. They know how to convert a poison into medicine. So Palani, it was made of Navabhashanam. That is, the statue is made of 9 poisons in a right proportion. If you take it a small bit, it is a perfect medicine. So they whenever milk, Panchamartha, Vibhuti, they are good for health. It is believed. Okay, I will give my poem. வந்தேன் முருகா பழனிமலை நீ அறிவாயோ எந்தன் பக்தி நிலை வந்தேன் முருகா உன்னிடம் செல்வதற்கில்லை வேறிடம். Muruga, I have come to Palanimalai. Please understand my devotion, mental state. I don't have anywhere else to go. I came because I have nowhere else to go. There was a similar poem in Tamil by movie poem, Vandeen Muruga Pattumalai. But both the poems are different. This is not on a story. This is talking on Muruga, whole story. Then I say I have to come again. மீண்டும் வந்தேன் பழனிமலை நீ அறிவாயோ எந்தன் பக்தி நிலை வந்தேன் உன்னை காண கடல் தாண்டி உன் எழில் காண வேண்டும் கண்கள் பல கோடி. I have to come again and again. I have nowhere else to go. I come to you again, crossing the oceans, to see the beauty for which I need crores of eyes, millions of eyes. Next line. நீ இல்லாத இடம் ஒன்றுமில்லை சிறப்பாக நீ இருக்குமிடம் பழனிமலை பழனிமலை காண கண் வேண்டும் சன்னதிக்கு வர கால் வேண்டும். You are there everywhere, but Palani is a special place for you. That is, your books everywhere. That library is special. Like you can see sunrise, sunset everywhere, but you say you have to that I have to see sunrise from the mountain. In Japan, they call it Mount Fuji. In Kanyakumari, all these are there. Same sun you see, like that. Next line. உன் திருநாமம் செவிக்குணவு அங்கு கிடைத்தது நல்ல மனநிறைவு. When I come, the devotional bhakti thing is a food for our ears, but we get very good peace of mind. மனம் இருப்பது உன்னிடம் உடல் செல்கிறது வேறிடம் செல்கிறேன் உன்னை மனதில் வைத்து பாடிடுவேன் உன்னை வழியெங்கும். I am leaving, but anyway only my body is leaving. My mind is still with you. I will be singing your glory on the way. I will come again. I don't want anything except your grace, your blessings. வருவேன் மீண்டும் பழனிமலை வேண்டுவது எல்லாம் உன்னருளை. So like that there are so many. We'll go to the symbol. Muruga is represented by veil, spear, trident, if you can. These are the three things in the left you see. Veil is the symbol of Muruga. ET or spear is a weapon. So people are of opinion veil is not a weapon because they don't use veil, they use spear. And Sulam is popular with Shiva or a Neptune, god of Neptune in the European mythology or European stories. I just made a small story, small poem on Veil Muruga, and I will give a meaning also, which is about the veil itself. கூறிய வேளா புத்தி கூர்மை கொடு ஆழமான வேளா ஆழ்ந்த அறிவை கொடு விரிந்த வேளா பரந்த மனப்பான்மை கொடு வேளவா உன் வேலுக்கு இருபக்கம் கருணை உன் சக்திக்கு மறுபக்கம் வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு அரோகரா. Veil, the form is like a leaf. It is long. It shows the depth of knowledge. It is broad at the top, width of knowledge, broad-minded. That is depth, breadth and depth, breadth and width. There are many Tamil literature poems. It is not only Muruga. Kurvel Kudunduilan Andagoban Kumaran Andal. She says, my own, that is Vishnu or Krishna. They also had a veil. And then Thirumangai Alvar also carried veil. In Silapadigara, there is a Velukku ena Thani Kotam. Well means wind in Tamil. it might have become veil. As I tell you, the veil is a symbol for kings and generals. It is not a weapon. It is a royalty symbol. Veil represents two sides, two views of anything. Wisdom is to consider both the sides and both the viewpoint. Like synthesis, truth is nothing but thesis plus antithesis. So this is a symbolism of veil, truth, which has a deep meaning. And the other is evolution of Muruga worship. You take. We have our civilization starts with hunter-gatherers, pastoral, agricultural, industrial, and service. It starts with hunter-gatherers. That is the first stage of civilization. Muruga is associated with hunters. Veda, he married Valli, who was a princess of the hunter tribes. And it is popular hunter worship. So it starts with the basic. And also there is a thing called Kumarikandam, the continent Lemuria. Then there is always three Madurais, three Pandya kingdom capital was there. Tamil Changam is the assembly of Tamil poets, Tamil academies. There is first Sangam, it was led by Shiva. Second Tamil Changam was led by Muruga. Third was supposed to be Nakirar or Agasthyar. There are always controversy there. Agasthyar may be here. So it is a very ancient worship, even found in ancient literature. There is also Pumbuhar. Pumbuhar also was submerged in the sea. It is correlated with the last ice age, global warming, 12,000 years ago, around that period. So there are a lot of stories. Kumara Shampava. Valli Muruga is a very popular Tamil one. And one of the things is Valli Kalyanam. Valli Kalyanam gives a very good account of how the marriages, the cultures were taking place in ancient Tamil. Ancient Tamil may be much more than the current Tamil. It can be Telugu and all the people. And there is too much of mix-up. There is no Tamil or non-Tamil, something like this. It's all lot of fusion. So lot of things are there. And even Kandapuranam itself will take one lifetime to read. These are the very nice poems which I am skipping. But you can have the heading, Greatness of Valli, Muruga and Valli paying respects to Shiva Parvati, Shiva and Parvati blessing and hugging couple, other guest deities paying respects, marriage ceremony, decorated elephant, blessings wishing all the world, Lord of knowledge, ultimate creator of souls, celebration, lighting lamps. Now the songs with musical instruments, this part is good because you come to know lot of flute and other instruments used. Lord, that is, it can be Veena violin at that time. Drums and flute, what types? Conch, royal drums. So then it talks about marriage processions. I will conclude with Thiru Arutpa. Thiru Arutpa is by Vallalar. So what he asks is he is asking nothing. He says, உரிமையுடன் நினது திரு மலரடி நினைக்கின்ற உத்தமர் தம் உறவு வேண்டும். Like, பொய்மை பேசாதிருக்க வேண்டும், பிடியாதிருக்க வேண்டும், உன்னை மறவாதிருக்க வேண்டும், நோயற்ற வாழ்வில் நான் வாழ்வேன். Like, I should remember you, I should be truthful. He never asks, give me this, give me that, nothing. This is a very nice song. And there are many songs like this. Thiruvarutpa by Vallalar, who was a reformer. So I try to close this. Thank you for viewers, acknowledgements. and books on these subjects. Vanakkam, Nandri.